guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing haul for BoxyCharm's April box. This is the BoxyCharm box I got in the mail for the month of April, and my box says that it was 0.75 pounds. I already opened this box up and I kind of already used most of the products on my little sister for her prom makeup. And if you want to see me doing her makeup with these products, then I'll link the video down below because I vlogged her prom day and me doing her makeup for prom. So if you want to watch that with these products in it, then click the link down below. I literally just posted that video, so it should be very fresh on my page. I just wanted to show you guys everything that's in here because this has been my all-time favorite box of BoxyCharm that I have received. So let me just show you what's in the box because I'm like super excited to show you guys today. BoxyCharm is basically a monthly makeup subscription service. Every month you get a box full of 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. All the full-size makeup products in the box retail for over $100 together, but with this BoxyCharm subscription box, you only pay $21 a month to get 4 to 5 full-size makeup products. Only $21. Like, girl, what are you doing if you don't have a BoxyCharm box subscription? Let me just tell you, the boxes just keep getting better and better and better. If you do want to sign up to get your own BoxyCharm box, then I'll leave a link down below in my description box for you guys to click that link, and then you can sign up to get your BoxyCharm box for only $21 a month. Everyone just needs a BoxyCharm box in their life because, like, that's an amazing deal. You get more than $100 worth of makeup products for only $21 a month. Like, anyone who doesn't want that is crazy. Also, exciting news, there isn't a waitlist anymore for BoxyCharm. There was a waitlist a few months ago, but now they do not have a waitlist anymore. So right when you sign up, you're gonna get sent a BoxyCharm right away for the next month, and it's just gonna be amazing, trust me. Before I like keep rambling on about how amazing BoxyCharm is, let me just show you what's inside of the box. I'm gonna show you my favorite product in here, a ColourPop eyeshadow palette. These colors are so pretty, they're to die for. They're perfect summery eyeshadow looks. I don't know if you could tell, but I already used this one over here because I use this on my sister for her prom makeup. If you guys want to see the video again, link it down below. Click it, you watch it, it's fun, it's great. But look at all these eyeshadow looks, guys. Like, I'm in love, I'm in love. I believe every month they have 2 or 3 different variations of boxes. So I believe every single box got a different ColourPop eyeshadow palette. But I'm happy I got this one because it's so pretty. Let me see what variation I got. Every month it also comes with a little paper like this, and if you open it up, it shows you all the products inside that came with it. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different products this month, and it gives you a description of every product and the price that it retails for. So it's kind of cool and fun to add all of them up and see how much these really are if you just bought them by themselves, and then you feel so much better for only paying $21 for all this. It's amazing. So the variation of the box is usually down in the corner somewhere. So mine says 3, so I think there was 3 different variations this month. And it also looks like it came with a coupon for Tarte, so you get 10% off on orders on Tarte.com. Sometimes it also comes with coupons, so that's great too. This retails for $26. And this is a ColourPop Semi-Precious Eyeshadow Palette. So the next product I'm going to show is from Tarte, and it's this Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. This is in the color Exposed. I also used this highlighter on my little sister for her prom makeup. Oh my gosh, guys, let me just tell you, this highlighter is so good. I literally posted a picture of my sister on Instagram of this, and literally 5 people replied to me, and they're like, what highlighter is that? Oh my gosh. And I was like, girl, it's a Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. You need to get it for yourself. Oh, actually, I'm gonna insert a picture right here in this video of my little sister's prom makeup. See that highlight though? Let's just take in that appreciation for that highlighter. That's amazing. She's literally glowing. Can you guys tell how excited I am about this month's box? This highlighter from Tarte retails for $29. The next product in here is this Dr. Brandt Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. It says pores no more. Let me just read what it does because I haven't tried this yet, but I've heard really good things about even the brand in general, so I'm really excited to try this. It says, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes, leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. Cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. Apparently this is supposed to clean out your pores and make them look smoother, I guess. I'm really excited to try this out. And let's see how much this retails for. Girl, this retails for $47, but we only paid $21 for all of these products, so I'm winning today. The next product is a lipstick. This is actually a high definition liquid lipstick from Adesi. I don't know if you say Adesi or Ades. We're just gonna roll with it. I'm gonna say Adesi because that just sounds cooler to me. I don't know. I also used this on my sister for prom, so if you guys want to see how that looked, then watch the video in the link below. This lipstick retails for $24. And when you actually apply this, it doesn't mattify on your lips like a liquid lipstick usually would. Like my Kylie Jenner one, like how that mattifies on your lips kinda. This one actually kind of looks like a gloss, but it feels really good on your lips. I don't know how to explain it, but the color too is really pretty. It's like this perfect mauve-y color. It smells so good. It smells like candy. I just want to eat it. The last makeup item in this box is the Brow Gal Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers. I already took this out of the packaging too because I was going to use it on my sister for prom, but then I realized her eyebrows are already so prominent and perfect that she doesn't even need eyebrow gel. So that's why this is already out of the packaging. But I haven't used it yet. I don't really fill in my eyebrows, but I'm excited to try this because I don't really have anything to really fill in my eyebrows because I don't really feel the need to. This retails for $22. April's was my absolute favorite out of all the ones I've already received, and there's no waiting list anymore. So what are you guys doing waiting around? Go click that link down below and sign up for your own BoxyCharm for only $21 a month. And as you see, it comes with amazing products. They're all full-sized. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my April BoxyCharm unboxing haul. If you have any requests or videos, comment them down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!